Hi, so this is a quick video on how to set up the recycle system, the recycle bin system on the DNS 320 NAS. The Dlink DNS 320 NAS is one from a series of network attached storage devices, and this certainly works for the DNS 320, and it probably works for all of the other ones. The DNS 320 is reasonably old at the moment, but I'd imagine that the newer ones that have something similar. Not all NAS devices actually have some kind of recycle system on them. A lot of them just don't, and you might think that basically if you try and delete a file, if this was a regular file here and I didn't have the system set up and I was to right click and delete it, because I'm in my network attached storage, it won't actually go into my recycle bin, because I'm on a Windows machine, and there's a lot to discuss about it. I won't explain it here, but basically there's a number of ways around it, and none of them are very good. But most network attached storage systems don't have, or many of them anyway, don't have a recycle bin system built in, but the DNS 320 and 325, as far as I know, and I presume all the newer ones since have, in the D-Link line at least. But you have to turn it on, and the idea is if I was to delete that without the system, it would just disappear and that'd be it. You wouldn't be able to get it back out of the recycle bin. But with the system turned on, I actually have this recycle bin here for my network attached storage. So I have it turned on. I'm not going to go through the steps. I'm just going to explain the steps. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your network attached storage, which you'll have the IP address for that hopefully, and you just log in to the share center, and you want to go to management, network management, it's account management, network shares, and you want to click on your network share so it goes red, and press modify, and go through these. I just left them all they were, and this is the way they were, and this is what you want to take recycle here, and you're going to go next, and I'm not going to do it now, but you just follow through the wizard, and I'm just going to exit out of it. And there's some things on the web that say it'll just appear. Well, it doesn't really just appear. Not really sure what they mean by just appear, but really what I thought was I would just go into my network attached storage in here, and it would and I thought it would actually appear in there, but it doesn't. You have to get this here. So to get that working, what you have to do is what you have to get is there's a program which you've possibly used called the D-Link storage utility, which is the handiest way of setting up network shares on your computer. I'm using Windows 7. I presume there's a network, there's a storage utility for Mac and Linux and stuff, but anyway, I just downloaded this from the D-Link website, and so when you open it up, sorry, my firewall's causing me some hassle for some reason. I'm just going to allow access to that. It'll find the network attached storage here after a minute. Just press refresh. There it is. So if I click on that, it'll show me the volumes, and this is the one that appeared because of that tick that I put into the wizard in the last section. So what I did was I assigned that the letter R for recycle, but you could assign it anything you wanted as long as it's available, and just press connect, and it'll tell you that it's successfully connected it. And that means when I go into my computer now, I've got my network attached storage, and I've got a recycle bin for that. So what I have here is a folder on my network attached storage drive, and I've just put this test file into it. And if I go into, actually I made a mistake here earlier, because I think I grabbed something, and I'm just going to delete this. It has nothing to do with the video really. So like I said, I have this file here, and if I right click on that and delete it, this is in my network attached storage. It would normally just disappear. That would be the end of it if I deleted it, but when I delete it now, it asks me to want to permanently delete it. It's gone from my network attached storage, but it's actually in the recycle bin in this. It's just put it in here, so it gives you an opportunity to be able to, you know, just delete things as you would normally, and then every week or month or whatever, you can come into this folder. There's no you know, it's not like the Windows recycle bin where you can right click and empty the recycle bin. You actually have to select everything in it and press delete. When I deleted the second time from my recycle bin, it's gone now, but that's what you want, because it's your second time to. It's really just a second chance to get it back. If you accidentally press delete on something, you can come in here, and then just like you would with your normal recycle bin management, whatever you would do with that. I did look around for a retention policy or something like that, but I didn't see anything there. So presumably you have to just come in here manually and delete stuff. So that's it. Hopefully that's helpful.